Hi, today I'm going to show you how to convert a dodgy nightlight to a safe one. I have converted this dodgy nightlight, which had an AC socket on the end, and it had a capacitive voltage dropping circuit that was quite dodgy, and this cap could just come off like that, so capacitor dropper is not suitable for this thing. And it's basically dangerous. The capacitors in it were pretty cheap and low quality, so it could go bang and explode, so we don't want that. And I've converted it into USB like this. It has a USB plug on the end. I basically just removed the AC plugs with my soldering iron, melted them off, and then cut them off and sand that down and make a little hole in here to fit the USB port here. It's a USB type A port here, male USB type A, and you have the little circuit board in here. Normally its circuit board is like this. I just made a copy of it from DIY circuit boards like this, and it pulls out like that. There's the two wires. I used the original wires of this lamp because I didn't want to waste any wires, and the only wire that I used in here is just a connector between those two LEDs, ground connector, and that's basically it. So you have 4 LEDs here and 4 resistors for them like this, and a little circuit board, and that's how the cap goes on. Let's plug it in and see how it works. I have a little power bank here, and when you plug it in, it lights up, all the LEDs light up, and if I take out the cover, you can see the individual LEDs like this. And you can also plug it into a phone charger like this, and this actually is an European plug, so it kind of fits and it looks pretty nice with this little iPhone charger. And this is how it looks when you plug it in. As you can see, it has the phone charger here and the little night lights like this. So the old circuit diagram of this night light is like this. You have the AC 220 volts coming in to a capacitor and some resistors, 2 of them actually, and 4 LEDs, that's it. It's a very simple circuit on a little circuit board like this, and the separation is also not good. As you can see, it's quite dodgy, and I basically just made it into 5 volts, and here is the 5 volt circuit, as you can see. So we have 100 ohms of resistors on LEDs that are blue and green, because blue and green LEDs usually need to have a higher voltage than red and yellow LEDs. So we have 330 ohms of resistors on red and yellow LEDs. Especially the yellow LEDs draw or need really low amounts of voltages. So if you put a 100 ohm resistor here and connect it directly to 5 volts, it may burn out, or it may shorten the life of the LED here, because yellow LEDs usually operate in 2 volts or so. So we only need 100 ohm resistors, 2 330 ohm resistors, and 4 LEDs. I used green, red, yellow, and blue LEDs here, like this. And we just need 4 LEDs, a chassis like this, some circuit boards, and 4 resistors, and just a USB connector that fits on here, and some hot glue and some solder, and that's it. You can pause the video for a while to look at the circuit diagram. This is Arduino Atölyem, and today I showed you how to make a dodgy nightlight to a safe one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.